Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to pay with your Visa card on Etsy. Let's open Etsy application on our device, and actually I have already added my item that I want to order to my cart. So I'm going to my cart and press proceed to checkout button. Now I need to confirm my shipping address, so check your shipping address, and if anything is wrong here and you need to apply some changes, you need to press edit button right here, then apply some changes, and of course do not forget to save it by using this save button at the bottom. And also you can add a new shipping address. So I press ship here button, and now finally I need to select my card right here. And I need to fill in all information about my card. So I need to enter name on card, my card number, and also, which is convenient, what is very convenient, that you can press scan card button, which will open your camera. And you can scan your card instead of entering your card number manually. Also, you have to enter your expiration date and of course your security code. Also, you can select if you want to save your payment card for your next purchase instead of every single time entering this all information about your card. So click here, and also you can set as default. Then if everything looks fine with your card, you need to press review your order button. And then you have to confirm your order. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.